back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, this is the look that I am serving. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. To kick this off, I'm going to do brows. I'm using this dip brow pomade from Morphe, the color chocolate. For primer, I'm using the Milani Prime Shield. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn to clean up my eyebrows. As an eyeshadow base, I'm using concealer. Before I go in with eyeshadow, I'm going to set my eyelids with this Kiss powder in the color Banana. And this fluffy brush is also for Real Techniques. From the James Charles palette, I'm using this color. I have no clue what the name of that color is. I lost the sheet, unfortunately. And I'm just patting that color on. Next, I'm using this deep brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette called Secret. I'm using this shade to deepen the crease. And this brush is also from Wet n Wild. I'm putting concealer on my lid so I can use it as a base for my eyeshadow. For my lid, I'm using the eyeshadow canvas from the James Charles palette. I'm using the NYX liquid liner to do my wing. I'm going in with the same liner in the color white to do the double wing. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your concealer under my eyes because I want to be extra today. Concealer before foundation. Right up to the... I'm also putting this concealer on the side of my mouth and my upper lip area. I'm using this Hue Noir foundation in the color Chestnut. I believe that's how you say the name. And I'm also using the color 335 from Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm just going to blend this all over my face. I know right now the color looks hella off, but it's going to oxidize and be the right color. This brush is also from Real Techniques. This was like a limited edition collection that they had around Christmas time. So you know I had to pick that up. And I'm just blending this color out. For highlight, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. And I love this concealer. Oh my gosh. Your brows will be popping with this concealer, okay? And then it blends out beautifully. So y'all see that I blended out the concealer on my forehead and my upper lip area and my chin with the brush. I'm also going to use it to blend out the edges for my under eyes. To finish blending that out, I'm going to be using this sponge from Sonia Koshik, however you say that. And this is a wet, damp beauty blender sponge. Again with the concealer face. I don't know, I make these strange faces when I do my concealer under my eyes, y'all. Now I'm going to be blending the bridge of my nose, and I'm also going to blend that area in between my brows. This is how I get that gradient effect on my brows. I know y'all was probably thinking, what the heck's going on? Yeah, this is how I get the effect. Now I'm going to go in with a lighter shade to highlight. This is the e.l.f. concealer in the color Medium Sand. You do not have to do this step. You could totally stop here, go ahead and set. But I wanted to be extra, so yeah. Blending it out with that same Sonia Koshik sponge. To set my highlighted areas, I'm using that same powder I used earlier from Ruby Kiss. To contour, I'm using this powder from Ruby Kisses. I will have the name for this powder down below in the description box. This brush is also from Real Techniques, same collection. To set the remainder of my face, I'm using the Fit Me loose powder in the color Dark Deep, I believe. I'm using this small fluffy brush to dust away the powder. Setting spray, I'm using the Morphe Setting Mist, and oh, it feels so good. Oh, I love this stuff. For highlighter, I'm using the highlight shade from the medium to dark True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance. And this highlight is so pretty. Like, you see that glow? You see it? You see it? And then to have a little more glow, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold. And I'm placing this on my nose, I'm placing this on my Cupid's bow, and I'm also going to put that on the arch of my eyebrow. And my inner tear duct. Miss Me Up. I'm going to be using this shade from the James Charles palette under my eye. To line my lips, I'm using this brown shade from Ruby Kisses. And then I'm topping that with some gloss. Now I'm doing mascara. This mascara is from the Beauty Supply. Not sure what the name of it is. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.